Is that Travisha? Why you mad? Why you mad? What's good? YouTube is family goes back with another big.
Turn it off.
Okay, guys, so today we're gonna be doing a little mukbang. So this is basically when they eat food and they talk about things and all that. So we're gonna eat and talk about things. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about my day at school on Friday. Nobody cares. It was pretty horrible. I mean, so like, every time you're late to school, you get a detention, and I be late to school every day, the first period, and so like, this is what they try to do. This is what they do. So then he tried to put me in in-house for not going to all those detentions. I had like 3 of them that I haven't went to. So he tried to put me in there, and so the teacher's like, oh, you have to go to 713. And I was like, no. So I grabbed, so he's like, so he said leave. So I grabbed my stuff, right? And I was like, so I left, and I never went. I just didn't go. I didn't have to go to first period. I just walked around. And then, they
That's
found
nice
us.
to find out.
Anyway, so then they found us in the bathroom, or whatever. the guys found us in the bathroom. They doing the bathroom suite. They doing so much this year. Like, this makes me not want to go to high school anymore. So they found us in the bathroom, and they bring us to the dean's office, and then Mrs. Lineback's like, we have to figure something out because you cannot be late to first period every day. This is just unacceptable. Like, I'm flabbergasted at all these parties that you have. Like, it's just crazy. And I was just like, yeah, man, that's crazy. So then, I ain't gonna lie, like, I was being so disrespectful to him because, he's so rude.
I didn't raise you like that.
Okay, well, Mom, have you met him? Yeah.
So, he's still a dog.
He's still rude. He's not talking to me like.
Can I have some juice?
What?
Like I'm a child.
He's really rude.
Can I have some juice?
Like you're a child, like you are.
No,
Can I have some Kool-Aid?
He does not get the
Yes.
right.
Hey! Oh.
Anyway, so
Look up my boy.
they let me go to class and all that.
I
And
saw
yeah.
with my face.
So that's the end of my story on Friday. You want to go, Sky?
Yeah, nothing else.
Yeah, Mom. Sky.
Travis, you want to tell a story?
What story?
Oh. What that girl he had, and then she rejected him?
What
girl rejected me?
Travis had a little girlfriend, and let me tell y'all, she was so ugly. Oh my gosh.
What are you talking about?
Like, don't get me wrong, Travis is ugly to me, but like, he could pull way better than that. Because that girl was.
First of all, my son ain't ugly. What? Let's get it correct.
Travis is definitely ugly. But anyway, she was so
Definitely
ugly.
not. Well,
Yeah. Does she feel herself way too
No,
much?
I'm not, because we're not even.
Who are you talking about, though? I forgot her name. Valerie?
Her name was Valerie? That makes it even worse.
Never give it a girl
Oh, no,
name.
you gotta check this out. I can't put her name. She can sue me.
Sue me.
Kool-Aid, Mom? Mom will show you don't care. It's a mukbang.
It's a mukbang. Okay.
Who next?
Chill out.
Who ripped off my leg? On the crab.
Oh, that was me, because I was eating all your stuff.
Nice. Want me to pour it for you?
It's okay, I'm a grown man. And I
You know, on Mortal Kombat, he'd be like,
Cheers.
whoopsie!
No, he don't.
Yes, he do.
What are you talking about?
Maybe y'all too
was
young.
talking about stuff from like 1954.
Oh, that makes sense.
First off, I wouldn't even thought of her.
Ow! Yeah. So when I was in ancient history, we were doing a project, and like this kid, we're supposed to all bring something for like we're supposed to make something, and he brought nothing. And he's over there just using me and my friend's paint that we bought. He was just using it gladly. He was like, I'm just gonna help other people until you guys get the stuff. And I'm like, no. And then he kept on calling me names, and then he called me a black nigger, and then I called him a fag.
A black nigga.
And then he grabbed my shirt, I grabbed his, and then I punched him, and then the teacher came. And then everybody said that he grabbed me and picked me up. He did not pick me up. And then they said she's gonna RPC me, and she didn't.
And he got suspended, so that's good.
RPCU is...
He said the F word, but it was just fag.
And then Travis got whooped and he was crying here.
I'm not even broken.
Moral of the story is Travis got beat up.
I did not get beat up. So yeah.
Take those legs off now.
Oh yeah, we could about that. Have you ever gotten to a fight? If you have, then you drink the little juice thing you drink, and if you haven't, then you don't drink it.
Where's the wine at?
Okay, wait, now you don't have the juice in your cup.
Naya never got in a fight. She's a scaredy cat. Like,
Naya has got
she
in a
let
fight.
somebody swing her to. Yeah, I wasn't even fight. She did nothing.
No,
she wasn't
Naya
like
did
sweet
an
or
actual
little.
fight. She got in an actual fight at school one time. When we used to go to Lovers, she got in a fight there.
No, she did not.
Yes, she did.
That's all cap.
Okay, have you ever gone to a fight?
Cap.
I never got in a fight.
But you got bullied. Oh, have you ever been bullied? That's another one.
Oh no, anybody bullying me?
Alright.
Go ahead, sip.
Saya's been bullied. And Naya has too.
I know, why would anybody bully me? I'm like totally amazing.
Don't
And
elaborate. Don't
Surprisingly, it wasn't by any black kids. It was by Caucasian kids.
Nah,
She wasn't even bullying me. She was, oh yeah, technically it kind of was.
Move your hand.
I mean, I didn't say anything. I ignored her because like.
Okay, have you ever?
But okay, another one. Have you ever been suspended from school?
Yup.
Not the drink, dum dum.
I'm a good kid.
Never.
You got
expelled
expelled.
from school. So go ahead and drink that whole cup.
We gotta bring in all this history. Like, next question.
Yeah, let's elaborate on Naya. So
Let's not elaborate.
she was expelled from school because this fool tried to stab her teacher with some scissors
Okay, no.
because she
I
was mad.
Why? Why was I mad?
You was mad because she said you're gonna get a bad grade if you don't finish this
No.
work.
I was sitting on the side. I wasn't even in our desk. Because she let me do
She
that.
just act like she remembers so
And then
clearly.
She was ignoring me, and I'm like, hello. And she stopped the whole class, and one boy was laughing at me, so I hit him in the head with one of those brick thingies. And then she was like, teacher didn't do nothing about that at all. Because he was like, still low-key my friend, so she didn't say that. And then I got the doll scissors, those like baby scissors, and lightly tapped her on her metal hard work boots. I wasn't going to stab that lady.
Naya,
They
you locked
hold-
yourself in a locker.
They
and said
hauled
you
me
wanted
out
to
like,
kill
like
yourself.
I was in the main society. Like, they was doing way too much.
You tried to kill yourself.
Give me one just like have you ever?
You're hyper, this guy. What's so funny?
I know, right?
His mom tried to make mom's age.
Good. You
Oh,
don't have
he
to
did
get
the
that.
wrong thing.
Get the other one. Get the strip. Why are you trying to get the big piece of chicken? Just so heavy set.
I don't know. Fun fact, you guys. Travis has all D's.
Mm.
And you have all S, so stop
No, I
stop
don't.
that.
My friends can back me up on that. I do not have all
Nobody
F.
cares about your friend. You have all F. We're talking about two.
You have F though.
I got no F.
Right.
Don't
Oh, I got it. Okay, so the only F I have is in math class.
Cap. That's cap.
And
That's cap.
her,
That's cap.
my teacher's name is Miss
That's
Navola.
cap. That's why you don't want to give mom your
Stop
report card.
naming names, number one. Number two, they told you if you failed math again, you were going to be getting held back. So, looks like you'll be in 8th grade again.
And she,
Looks like I'm about to go to high school with her next year. Yes.
and if I go to 8th grade again, I can promise you I'm not going to that school.
You're definitely going to that school.
And if I do go to that, look, no, they said they won't accept me. They said there's way too many people that are going to fail. They will not accept me. And
You're
if they
definitely going to that school, so I don't want to hear you.
What about truth or have ever?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
What are you gonna say?
What? We're still doing that.
I'm gonna say. I remember one time we played Truth or Dare at Minnesota, and then I forgot. You got so mad. Why did you get mad?
Yeah, I'm touching the guts.
You do know why.
I don't remember y'all playing that game.
I can't. I don't remember, but it's like something else happened. It's like we were like doing like we were singing or something like that, and then they were like, someone was like, you can't sing, and I started crying, and then I ran to the basement, and then that's when Jamar came down there, and he was like, and then he was anyway, so he came down there, and he's like, you can finish your song, whatever, and I sang it, and then he said something, and then he gave me like $20 or something like that.
You ate that? I thought to say you ate the guts and everything. Did you eat the guts? No, I ate nothing out of that.
See, that's that good meat right there. Sorry, pull it.
That's
Why did you
meat.
get that,
I wish
Scott?
you could feel this.
That's the
It
bad
feels
meat.
disgusting.
Yeah, that's
What is it?
hairy.
Please come touch it on, please.
No.
Ain't no good meat. I got that meat. That's.
It feels so nasty. Just touch it, man.
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 4:53 p.m.
Oh, I was trying to play a song, but now
I don't even know what she said.
I was gonna tell her to play a song, but I realized we get copyrighted like last time. We don't want that again.
4:33 p.m.
What are you picking that up?
You.
I didn't do nothing. Well, I'm gonna sweep it. Hopefully, it gets in the room.
I know, hopefully you get better at me.
I want to throw up. If I look at it.
Stop playing in it.
Do that.
I'm gonna do a prank on one of y'all tonight. It's gonna be so fun. Stop.
Hey man, stop. You have to wash your hair and all that.
It's a little far.
Chill out, bro. Chill out.
Come on.
Stop getting that serious. I only got it in your hand. I don't even know how to do this. So that's fine.
You pull a leg.
So I decided what I'm gonna do for my 16th birthday. I'm going to I want to go to roller skating. I'm gonna
Stop
invite like
touching his eyeballs. This is so gross.
I'm gonna invite like so many people.
Nobody
but
cares.
I'm not paying for
Nobody's
it, so
gonna
if you
come.
ain't got no money, then guess you're not coming. Is that our cue to go? Y'all, we got school tomorrow. I'm kind of excited for that ceramics, so I can finish my project and I can start
I'm
my
100%
project.
not excited. I do not want to go to
Bro, I love the only.
School does
I only
suck.
like ceramics. That's literally the only class I've never been absent in. It's the only class I actually like.
Aaron.
What? That stuff feels like throw up.
Dig in the inside. It's little noodles in there.
No, the next one we do is gonna be Chinese mukbang, so get excited for that, y'all. Anyway, so that's in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell down below.
Mom's recording.
No, she's not. You are not recording, are you?
Looking like a crackhead.
Mommy,
What's
why-
good, YouTube? This family goes back for another video. In this video, we doing.
She wants to sing it.
Stop it.
Oh,
I'm going.
No, you're not putting that.
Travis, you need to stop.
Can we just hurry up so I can eat? Like,
I'm eating too.
Okay, Mom.
How can I sit
Oh,
down?
I'm eating too.
Okay, ready?
Stop!
Shut up! One.
You can throw rest of this. How much cups did you have?
I'm about to neck you.
How much cups do you have?
More than you.
I had 2.
Oh, I only had 2 names.
Son, move your miniature Mac out the way.
You recorded? What? This.
Your big nose play too much.
Not playing.
Are you recording right now? Oh.